Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting the phone ready. Unlock the Gfive and make sure it has enough charge so radios can restart. Once ready, swipe down from the top to reveal Quick Settings because that's the fastest route. If the airplane icon is visible, you're at the control you need. If not, go to Settings and tap Network and Internet. This gives you direct access to the flight mode toggle so you can proceed without delay. Now disable flight mode. Tap the airplane icon in Quick Settings once to toggle it off. If you use Settings, flip the airplane mode switch under Network and Internet. You should hear or feel nothing, but the phone will re-enable radios. Once done, look at the status bar. Cell signal bars and Wi-Fi or Bluetooth indicators reappear. Make sure to manually re-enable Wi-Fi or Bluetooth if they stayed off. Finish by verifying functionality. Place a quick test call or check mobile data and Wi-Fi to confirm connections are back. If nothing changes within about 30 seconds, restart the Gfive to force radio reinitialization. If problems persist after rebooting, reset network settings from Settings System Reset Options to restore cellular and Wi-Fi defaults. That reset is the key troubleshooting tip. Use it only if simple restart fails, because it will clear saved networks and Bluetooth pairings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.